In the world of Agile software development, user stories serve as a simple and effective tool for understanding user needs and translating them into functional software requirements. A user story is a short description of a specific way that a user will use the software, written from the user's perspective. It typically follows this simple format. As A, I want to, so that.
How is this for a user story? As a customer service rep, I want to collect more customer fields so we can have better data. Is this specific enough? And how do I write the acceptance criteria part?
Your user story is a good start, but to make it more effective, let's make it more specific and concrete. For the acceptance criteria, you would list out specific scenarios or conditions under which the developer knows they have built the feature correctly and it meets the required criteria. Here's an example of what that might look like. Let's try another one.
Is this a good user story? As a company, we need an export function for the database so that managers can download their regional data.
While this user story does describe a function that could be built, it would likely result in an ineffective solution because it does not deeply understand the user needs. A good user story aims to uncover and satisfy real user needs. This revised user story makes it clear that the manager needs to perform complex data analysis, and the ability to easily export and manipulate data would significantly improve their work. A development team with this user story as a goal would likely build a much more useful feature than just a generic export function.
But don't I have to follow the as a I want so that format exactly?
That format is a useful tool for writing clear user stories, but it's not the only way to communicate user needs. The goal is to clearly communicate who the user is, what they need, and why, using language that the team finds helpful.
Okay, I think I've got this. How is this one? As a new user, I want to know immediately if I make mistakes on the registration form so that I can fix them without having to submit multiple times.
Your user story is well written. It effectively describes a user need, specifies a particular situation, outlines a specific action, and explains the benefit. Great job.